To show completion of ISTE Standard 1.B, I was able to collaborate with peers to create a white paper that focused on andragogy and TPACK. Specifically, Standard 1.B states, contribute to the planning, development, communication, implementation, and evaluation of technology-infused strategic plans at the district and school levels. Through the white paper, I was able to define the two terms and address the current problems and solutions and offer solutions. We also found different strategies for implementing andragogy and TPACK. Specifically, this assignment was a training proposal to several people, such as the mayor, different board members, the superintendent, central office staff. I worked collaboratively with different peers in my class. We started with an introduction, and then we went into defining andragogy and defining the problem with andragogy today and offering a current solution. We also listed 5 strategies based off research to help support andragogy. And we followed up with TPACK doing the same thing, defining TPACK, identifying a problem and solution, and offering 5 different strategies on how to get educators actively involved in education, or in technology, And we closed with our references that backed up our research in our white paper.